Healthy diet. 4 fruits that are relatively rich in protein. Protein-rich fruits. Fruits are not generally wealthy in protein yet rather have more elevated levels of other significant supplements. These 4 organic products are moderately high in protein. With regards to dietary wellsprings of protein, there is consistently a great deal of interest. This is on the grounds that it's not simply the stock of this fundamental full-scale supplement that is important for you, yet the bundling or the dietary profile of the source food additionally impacts your well-being. This is the reason red meats, in spite of being wealthy in protein, may not be viewed as great wellsprings of protein, since they're additionally wealthy in soaked fat. Any great and solid wellspring of protein ought have great measures of it, however it ought to likewise have a wide scope of sound and valuable supplements. Furthermore, solid wellsprings of protein should have low degrees of cholesterol and immersed fats. This is the reason there has been a ton of talk about the need to change from creature to plant-based wellsprings of protein. Protein-rich fruits. Organic products are wealthy in a rainbow of supplements, right from every one of the fundamental nutrients that have an influence in keeping up with the soundness of different body capacities, to stimulating regular sugars and satisfying fiber. Natural products are not customarily wealthy in protein and thereby in large not normal to be. They have more significant levels of other significant supplements including fiber and carbs. Yet, they actually offer a few measures of protein and when combined with other better wellsprings of lean proteins, may in any case be remembered for a sound eating routine. In any case, you can't depend on utilization of even these protein-rich organic products to satisfy your day-by-day recommended daily intake, RDI, for protein. Here are some protein-rich organic products for you to consider. 1. Raisins. This humble dried organic product is an apparatus in every one of the bubbly contributions and is additionally added to an entire scope of pastries. They brilliant raisins are only dehydrated or dried grapes. A 100-gram piece of raisins contains 3 grams of proteins, according to the information by United States Department of Agriculture. 2. Guava. This vitamin C-rich organic product is enjoyed crude or in servings of mixed greens, and is even added to juices and beverages for a flavorful punch. Guava is wealthy in fiber as a 100-gram piece of the natural product contains 5 grams of it, as indicated by USDA, and a similar part contains 2.6 grams of proteins. 3. Dates. This syrupy natural product has been burned through in Middle Eastern nations as a staple throughout recent centuries. Pitted dates are loaded down with an assortment of fixings and are even burned through as an improving glue for milkshakes and prepared products too. A 100-gram piece of dates contains 2.45 grams of protein, alongside 8 grams of fiber, according to information by the United States Department of Agriculture. 4. Prunes. Another dried natural product that is generally wealthy in protein is the prune. These are made by dehydrating aged plums and it contains a wide scope of fundamental minerals and nutrients, alongside some significant large-scale supplements. This incorporates 2.18 grams of protein per 100 grams, alongside 7 grams of dietary fiber. You might consider adding these natural products to your eating routine, more for getting different advantages from them, rather than viewing at them as solid wellsprings of protein. Counsel a confirmed dietitian or a nutritionist for an eating routine outline that assists you with meeting your dietary protein prerequisites. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press the bell button so you can get the latest information from my video. Thank you and happy watching.